Chiam Tech TV. I am Chiama, and today we'll continue with our new segment in the kitchen with Chiama. Today we'll be making popcorn, but not just regular popcorn, but very yummy buttery popcorn with several different colors. It's so colorful. It's called Fruity Fruity Bang Bang, and I bet you'll like it. But guys, before we start, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, click that notification button so that I never miss a video, because I'm going to be posting a lot. Please, just hit that red subscribe button. I really need your help and support. So without further ado, let's get started. The ingredients for my popcorn are: number 1, corn kernel. You can use the white or yellow corn. Today, I'll be using white corn kernel. Number 2, oil. You can use any type of vegetable oil, but today I'll be using olive oil. Number 3, butter. We cut the butter into small slices to make it easier to use. Number 4, salt. We'll be using just a tiny amount of salt. Don't use too much salt, guys. Salt is not good for your health. Number 5, icing sugar. It gives a better result because it has a way of melting into the popcorn. So use icing sugar instead of regular sugar. And number 6, food coloring. We have 4 different colors of food coloring. So today we'll be making white, blue, green, red, and yellow popcorn. Remember guys, I'll give you the procedures or recipes before we get to the stove. Also, remember to get adult supervision because in this video, I'll be using a stove and that is very dangerous. Add a little bit of oil and butter into a pot with the lid. Put it on the stove for some minutes, and when the butter and oil mix together, add enough food coloring to notice the color within the oil. Add a cup of corn kernel into the mixture and place it on top of the stove. Allow the corn to pop. Shake the pot once in a while to make sure the corn mixes well with all the ingredients. Halfway before all the corn is fully popped, open the lid and add your icing sugar and a little bit of salt. Shake the pot one more time for a good mixture. Put off the stove when the corn stops popping and enjoy your popcorn. First, I'll be adding a little bit of oil and 3 cubes of butter into a pot with a lid. Then I'll cover it and put it on the stove to melt. Look at how it looks. Guys, now it's time to add the corn kernel into the mixture. I'm not adding food coloring into this one. I'll be adding it into the subsequent popcorn because this is the white popcorn. Now I'm gonna shake it, guys. Guys, we have our white popcorn. Now it's time to do the colored ones. Okay guys, time for our second batch of popcorn. This is going to be red colored, and I'm going to add the red food dye once the butter melts. Here's the red food dye. It's melting, guys. Now it's time to add the food coloring. Yeah. I added enough to see the color in the mixture. As you can see, guys, it's red. Add a cup of kernel, close the lid, and let it pop. Guys, the red popcorn is ready! Okay guys, we're making the green popcorn. I'm going to add the green food coloring into the oil and butter mixture. I'm adding the green food coloring. I'm going to add enough to see it inside of the butter and oil mixture. I'm adding the green food coloring. I'm going to add the corn corn kernel, close the lid, and let it pop. The green popcorn is here! Very green and very delicious. Next time it's St. Patrick's Day, you guys can make green popcorn. Guys, it's melting. It's time to add the blue food coloring. I'm going to add enough blue to see the blue in the mixture. It's time to add the corn kernels, cover the lid, and let it pop. This is going to be the last batch we bake today. We're going to be using yellow food coloring. Let's get to it. Okay guys, it's melting. I'm going to add the yellow food coloring, the popcorn kernels, and cover the lid. Okay guys, we're done with all the popcorn. There's white, red, green, gold, blue, and yellow. It's fruity, bang, bang. So buttery, so delicious, so yummy. Well, now I'm going to end the video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, click that notification button so that I never miss a video because I'm going to be posting a lot. Bye! Mwah! Bye!